Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I was shopping recently with some quality jumper box, right? But the prices I saw on the market, the quality big names are around $200, so I didn't want to pay so much. And then I saw this unit at the Costco, right? We have a membership, we shop there a lot, so I decided to try this one. This one has a compressor which I don't want to have on it, but maybe at the end it will be good choice and practical unit to own. Let's go together and unbox it. Alright, I guess I will need a knife for this. These are stickers right here, a sealing stickers, whatever. And one of them says that it's really important that you fully charge the unit after the purchase. They don't want you to start using it, but first go ahead and fully charge it. Nice. So here is the manual, right, and the adapters for that compressor. And again, it must be a big deal that it's fully charged, right, before any use, because there's another here, it's another warning label. Please fully charge it so you avoid having any problems with it. The unit's name or the model is CJ1000 CP, and what I like that it has 1000 watts peak starting capacity. Now we removed that tape and what we see here. So you can use this button, right, which will show us the battery status when we press and hold this, and it says it's fully charged. I will put it off again, or no. Here is, I will say, light, right? That's pretty cool. So that's a switch which goes sideways. Here is 12 volt, like you might have in the car, right? That outlet to charge some devices. Here is USB charger on the bottom. It says 2 amp USB, and you can even run extension cord for some devices, right? Up to 200 watts power supply. If you push this button, it turns blue, right now, and now it goes off. Let's go look on the side. It's a nice rugged rubber. I like that. That will be really cool to have. And here is obviously that compressor. Here is the jumper cables, and here is the charging connector, right? So to charge the unit, you just bring your extension cord, you hook it to it, and it will be charged. Let's go look on these. Not bad, not bad. Excuse me. Not the longest reach. The cables are probably 2 feet only, but 2 plus 2, it's 4 feet range spread. The clamp feels incredibly strong. I love it. Nice, nice spring in it. The ending is wonderful. That should be perfect to use. Now how I put it away? This way and this way, right? And the cable stays there. Not bad. Let's see that compressor. Okay, here is the line, and you will obviously put the adapter which belongs on that. So this is like 1.5 feet long. There is some seal tape here. Remove before use. Okay, let's see what is this about. It was probably just for shipping. Nice. so it blows air, right, immediately. And you can see the pressure is going up. Very nice. And without using any of those adapters we saw, I just screw it on that valve on this Mini, and it immediately shows the pressure in the tire. And if I push it, I'm assuming it will start inflating. Let's see. Oh yeah. I will stop it because I don't want to change the pressure, but this is actually wonderful. I can definitely imagine this not only as a tool, as a jump starter for my shop, but I will say that definitely be a good thing to take with us on the camping trip, right? And have this available source of electricity, and all kinds of stuff can be done with it. Now you just saw me unboxing it, right? And I moved it once to the car, and now I'm looking on some details. This whole back, you see some screw here, but this one side seems to be not attached like this side. So what's going on? Is this already ripped within a seconds of unboxing? Let me investigate that. And I unscrew these 4 screws, right? And it's becoming obvious this whole housing for this little compressor was not made correctly. There's not enough plastic, and these screws just went through it, ripped through it, right? And this is not attached correctly. This is brand new unit. You saw it being unboxed, and look at this. It's complete junk. It's unbelievable. And looking inside here, I don't see any way how to disconnect these wires, right? They are going inside of the unit. So basically the best way will be just to slap it back and not to worry about that. But this is very sad. I mean, it looked so promising, but really looking on the design, this is failed. This will happen basically on every single unit. And of course now you can take it back or figure out another way how to connect it right to the back, or just go ahead and cut those wires off, right? Put the insulation on them and just using it as a jumper. That will basically get rid of that compressor, right? And you will have a unit as a jumper and the power source. And I'm a little bit in the shock, as you can hear in my voice. I'm really not happy that the things are not, made in quality anymore, and we are living in such a disposable world. That's too bad. So I will have to go ahead and figure out what I will do with it. Meanwhile, I will put it on the charger, right? Yeah, it shows here that the battery is being charged. The red light went on, as you can see, right? And I will have a time to think what I will do with it. Thanks for watching today, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way on this channel.